We've got breaking news just coming in. There's trouble for Madhya Pradesh Minister and BJP bypoll candidate Bisahulal Singh after an undated and unverified video shows him waving a gun at a party worker for asking for money. Congress says they will file a complaint with the Election Commission and ask BJP if they are going to win the bypolls with the help of a gun. That's the latest coming in. BJP's Mantri going on there to wave a gun. That's the big breaking story that is coming in. Trouble for Madhya Pradesh Minister and BJP's bypoll candidate after that undated and unverified video showing him waving a gun at the party worker and asking for money, the visuals of which are across your screens at the moment. The Congress is now vowing to complain to the Election Commission. Listen to what the Congress party has to say at this point.
वीडियो सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल हो रहा है जिसके अंदर वे एक कार्यकर्ता को धकेल रहे, हाथ में बंदूक लिए हुए खुलेआम गालियों के उपयोग कर रहे हैं। हम इस सोशल मीडिया पे वायरल वीडियो को लेकर चुनाव आयोग में भी जाएंगे और मांग करेंगे कि जिस प्रकार से हथियार हाथ में है वो लाइसेंस है कि नहीं, उसका अवैध हथियार तो नहीं, इसकी जांच की जाए। और क्या इसी तरह गुंडागर्दी के बल पर भाजपा चुनाव जीतना चाहती है? इस पर भाजपा का क्या कहना है वो स्पष्ट करे। क्या कार्यकर्ताओं को धमकाकर चुनाव जीतना चाहती है, मतदाताओं को धमकाकर चुनाव जीतना चाहती है?
Hemendra is now joining us live for the very latest. Hemendra, this is not good news coming in for the BJP when you have a video like this surfacing of a BJP bypoll candidate. Obviously, it is going to send out alarm bells.
Well, yes. The BJP is slightly worried and they have not reacted on this because Bisahulal, remember, was with the Congress till March and then he shifted to the Bharatiya Janata Party and here he was given the minister rank and now he is seen yielding a gun, showing it to a worker, and the BJP has so far not said anything on this, but the Congress is saying that this needs to be taken up with the Election Commission, and also they are asking a question from the BJP whether this is the way they are going to win elections and use guns and power for winning elections. But Bisahulal Singh has not said anything on this. Remember, Bisahulal was one person who was backed by Rahul Gandhi and his name was sent to Kamal Nath to be inducted in the cabinet of minister when the Congress came to power in 2018, and it was Kamal Nath who said that Bisahulal would not be taken into the cabinet, and that was the point of rift between Rahul Gandhi and Kamal Nath as well. But now Bisahulal is with the BJP, he's contesting elections from Anuppur, and now this gun is certainly the way he's pointing out a gun at a worker is certainly going to create some problem for the BJP candidate.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Hemendra, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.